Welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage style cottage decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Vintage style cottage decor is all about creating a cozy, nostalgic and charming atmosphere with a mix of antique, rustic and romantic elements. Here are some key elements to achieve this look. Soft muted color palette of whites, creams, soft pastels and earth tones. Floral patterns, gingham and tile fabrics add a timeless touch. Antique and mismatched furniture. Look for distressed wood pieces, painted furniture and vintage cabinets. Mix and match different styles for a relaxed, collected over time feel. Cozy textiles. Use crochet or lace towelis, ruffled curtains, and patchwork quilts. Layered sofas and chairs with floral or knitted throw blankets and cushions. Rustic and vintage accessories. Display antique kitchenware, enamelware, and weathered wooden trays. Hang vintage mirrors, botanical prints, or old-fashioned clocks. Use glass jars, ceramic pitchers and baskets for storage. Soft and warm lighting. Choose vintage style lamps, candles or candle sconces. Use warm toned bulbs to enhance the cozy ambience. Natural elements. Add fresh or dried flowers in ceramic vases. Incorporate wooden accents, wicker baskets, and vintage garden finds. Mix and match vintage finds. Hunt for antique furniture at thrift stores, flower markets, or estate sales. Don't worry about everything matching. Mismatched pieces add character. Use soft, weathered finishes. Choose furniture with distressed wood, chibi paint, or whitewashed finish. Incorporate floral and lace textiles. Use floral printed curtains, cushion covers, and tablecloths. Layer in lace towelis, crochet blankets, or embroidered linens for a nostalgic feel. Prefer a soft, neutral color palette. Stick to whites, greens, soft pastels, and muted greens or blues. Consider wallpaper with delicate florals or vintage patterns for an accent wall. Decorate with antique accessories. Display old teacups, vintage books, animal pictures, and ceramic vases. Hang vintage style artwork, botanical prints, old fashioned mirrors. Use cozy lighting. Choose warm, soft lighting with vintage style table lamps, sconces, or candeliers. Add candle holders or fairy lights for a romantic, cozy glow. Bring in nature. Use dried flowers, fresh blooms, or potted herbs in vintage planters. Incorporate wooden elements like a rustic dining table or open shelving. Repurpose and upcycle. Turn an old leather into a blanket rack or vintage crates into shelves. Use an attic dresser as a bathroom vanity or a farmhouse table as a kitchen island. Cozy up with vintage rugs. Layer faded Persian, floral, or braided rugs for added warmth and texture. Keep it simple and inviting. Avoid clutter, but embrace a lived-in, collected over time look. Let vintage pages tell a story while keeping the space light and airy. Add an old-fashioned hutch or sideboard. A vintage hutch or sideboard is perfect for displaying china, glassware, or collectibles. Paint it in soft pastels or ceramic white for a country cottage feel. Incorporate old iron or vintage metals. Use old iron bed frames, curtain rods, or vintage metal baskets. Vintage-inspired wall decor, hand-framed botanical prints, antique mirrors, or vintage embroidery hoops. Use old windows or wooden shutters as unique wall art. Display vintage crockery and kitchenware. Show off mismatched teacups, iron stone pitchers, and blue and white china. Explore utensils in vintage tins or mason jars for a rustic touch. sitting nook, use an old armchair with a crocheted drawer and vintage books stacked nearby. A small antique lamp or candleless consoles will add warm lighting. Use wooden crates and baskets for storage. Repurpose vintage wooden crates for open shelving or underbed storage. Wicker baskets and texture add a farmhouse touch to any room. Hang delicate lace curtains. Sheer lace curtains soften the light and add a romantic old feel. Floral or gingham curtains also work well for a country cottage look. Thanks for watching the video.